Today we're going to look at ground slash aerial spinner ladybugs by Boomer Fireworks. Comes 3 to a package. Never gotten these before, but I don't expect much of them since they seem to be a novelty. Emit showers of sparks, spins, and rises in the air. Okay, so it's going to be like a buzz bomb, but not as good. Let's go ahead and look at one closer. Let's open this up. Let's take a look at it. So it's got 2 exhaust ports on each side, which is going to give it the spinning effect. Got a little top right there. Ladybugs by Boomer. Don't know how well it's going to be. So, only thing we can do is light it off and check it out. Ladybugs by Boomer Fireworks. Let's take a look. We got a ladybug. We're going to find out. Ladybugs.
Oh my God, that's awesome.
Watch your head.